So, students, let us proceed the next topic. That is a fractional problem. Fraction problem. You know, fraction means the number in form of n upon d, numerator, and this denominator. So you always suppose these two terms because we want two variables. You know, two variable solution is easier than one variable. So for explaining this, first we write only three steps. Always let the numerator of fraction x and denominator of fraction y. So fraction is equal to x upon y. Fraction x upon y हो गया. So this line is written for all types of fraction problems. Then read the question and solve it. So we are taking the example for explaining this. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. Numerator and denominator sum is 3 less than twice the denominator. If the numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, the numerator become half the denominator. Means both decrease by 1, so numerator become half the denominator. So determine the fraction. So let's see how we make the equation. First thing, case 1. This line is already written. Sum of numerator and denominator of fraction is means equal to 3 less means 3 minus twice the denominator. Denominator means y. Then x plus y minus 2y minus 3. X minus y is equal to minus 3. First equation. Then use second case. If the numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, means numerator x minus 1, denominator y minus 1. If numerator and denominator decrease by 1, the numerator become half the denominator. So numerator become half the denominator. Numerator denominator का half हो गया. For this case, here in this question no use of x upon y, so we can't use. But determine the fraction means you want this. So first we find x, y. Firstly, cross multiply. 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to minus 1 plus 2. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. Equation number second. First and second equation you get. Solve this. X minus y is equal to minus 3. 2x minus y is equal to 1. You know, for these types of word problem, the equation is so easy. Directly, same sign, same coefficient, subtract, sign change, minus, plus, minus, cancel out, minus x, minus 4, x is equal to 4. Put in first, what's the first equation? This, minus 4 minus y, 4 minus y is equal to minus 3, minus y is equal to minus 3 minus 4, minus y equal to minus 7, cancel out, means x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7. So the fraction fraction is x upon y. So fraction x means 4 and y means 7. So the answer, the fraction is 4 upon 7. Okay, it's a very easy topic but important for board examination. So pause the video and note down with examples. Take another topic, 2-digit number problem. 2-digit number means write 67. So means 60 plus 7 means 10 into 6 plus 7. So 7 is unit place and 6 is tens place. So the standard form of 2-digit number, that is 10x plus y, where y is unit and x is tens place digit. And you know that x and y both are belonging 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only digit, not any number. Means x and y always from 0 to 1, 0 to 9. If I say for any question, let always write, let 2-digit number 10x plus y. Understood? Y unit place, x tens place, and the reversing digit number or interchanging digit number 10y plus x means 67 का 76. So 10 into 7 plus 6. 10 means that's a tens place. So here tens place is y, ones place is x. So only digit change. 67 changed to 76. So these two lines is for ever for all types of 2-digit number problem. 10x plus y is 2-digit number and 10y plus x is interchanging number or reversing number. Then by using these you can solve the problems. We take the example. By example we are explaining how we solve it. First thing, understand the question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of a digit is 165. Means any 2-digit numbers and reversing number sum make 165. And if the digits differ by 3, means unit and tens place digits differ by 3, find the number. Means the question want find the number. ये मांग रहा है. So first take solution. Same. Let 2-digit number 10x plus y, reversing number 10y plus x, and the for case first, sum of 2-digit number and the reversing number make 165. 2-digit number and reversing number sum is 165 according to question. That is 10x plus y plus 10y plus x 165, 11x plus 11y 165, 11, 11, 11 common in all, so divided by 11 and divided by 11. You get the first equation, two variables equation. Okay, then solve for second case. The digit is differ by 3. Digit means only x, y. Here x, y are the digits, not 10. So case second, x minus y is equal to 3 or y minus x is equal to 3. Both cases are following here because here differ means greater by smaller. I did not clear that कि unit place greater है कि ones place, tenth place. So we solve for both. First we solve for this. So x plus y is equal to 15, x minus y is equal to 3, or x plus y is equal to 15, y minus x, you can also write minus x plus y, minus x plus y is equal to 3. So for both equations you can solve it. Either x greater, either y greater. So therefore this 2x is equal to 18, x is equal to 9. Put in first. So 9 plus y is equal to 15, y is equal to 6. For this, x cancel, 2y is equal to 18, y is equal to 9. Put in first. So x plus 9 is equal to 15, x is equal to 6. Here y 6, here x 6. Because according to question, here x greater, here y greater. So you get the values, but the answer is not here. Answer 2-digit number, that is 10x plus y. So 10 into 9 plus y, 96, or you can directly write down 69, or you can solve it. 10 into 6 plus 9, 60 plus 9, that is 69. So either the number is 96 or the 69. Okay. These are the so small topics for this chapter, but very important because so many times it's come in board examinations. So pause the video, note down, and also try to solve some more examples of this. Okay, note down.